In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a sound icon in Figma quickly and easily using a free plugin. This is a super simple method if you want to add audio symbols, speaker icons, or sound-related graphics to your UI designs, app mockups, or presentations without drawing everything from scratch. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Figma tips, design tutorials, and time-saving workflows. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Figma file and make sure you're inside the design workspace. Once you're in your design, look down at the bottom toolbar and click the Actions icon. This is where Figma keeps a lot of helpful tools, plugin options, and workflow shortcuts. After that, click on Plugins and Widgets. This will open the section where you can browse and launch plugins that extend Figma's features. Now, in the search bar, type Iconify. Iconify is a popular plugin that gives you access to thousands of ready-made icons, which makes it perfect when you need a clean sound icon in just a few seconds. Once you see Iconify in the results, run the plugin. After the plugin opens, use the search bar inside Iconify and type sound, then press enter. You'll see a list of different sound-related icons appear on screen. Depending on your design, you can choose a speaker icon, volume icon, mute icon, or any sound symbol that fits your layout best. Take a moment to review the options, then simply drag and drop the icon you want directly onto your canvas. That's it. Your sound icon is now added to your Figma design and ready to resize, recolor, or style however you want. From here, you can change the icon's color to match with your brand, adjust the size for different screen layouts, or duplicate it across your design system for consistency. This is one of the fastest ways to build professional-looking UI elements in Figma without spending time manually creating icons. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick design tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.